guys doing? I hope that you guys are fine and that you guys are keeping safe. If this is the first time you're meeting this bold, beautiful, unapologetic baby girl, my name is Sean Arwa and you are welcome to our YouTube channel. All you have to do is to like, share and subscribe because you are going to fall in love with us. And today I am super excited to tell you that I have a partnership with Carl's. I am so humbled that Carl's was kind enough to send me a unit so that I can be able to review and tell you guys my honest opinion. So let's just quickly get into it because it's such an amazing hair. So this is how it comes. This is how I got it. And I had opened it earlier, so this is it. But before that, it comes with this booklet over here which has instructions of unboxing, and if you are a beginner, this is going to be really easy for you because you can be able to let me show you something, how to stop shading. So in case it's shading, in case it's shading, you can be able to read do's and the don'ts. If you want to color the hair, everything is right here, which is such a game changer. It's really nice. It also came with this little clips, and for amazing discounts, don't forget to use my code. It's on my description box down below. So let's get straight into this. So guys, let me tell you another thing about this hair is that you can be able to color it, which I think is really great. You can be able to change the color once you are done. And also it comes with this strap at the back, which is really nice. You can be able to secure and adjust the way you like, which is actually my type of thing. Here we go. I love the fact that it's actually a wear and go type of wig. You don't have to do much with it, you know. So I'm just going to go in with my leave-in so you guys can be able to see. I'm going to go in with my conditioner so you guys can be able to see how it looks like after that. I don't know if you guys can see it. I haven't even done I haven't done anything with it, and I still feel like I could rock it like this. I could really rock it just like this. What do you guys think at this point, just before? So guys, I've decided to go in with my liquid leave-in conditioner so that I can spray it. You can as well as use water if you want, but I prefer this particular leave-in because it kind of makes hair look really nice. And you guys can be able to see just before I do the most here, there's some changes, you know. Can you guys see? So let's do this together. guys, that's it. I actually love my curly hair really bulky, so that's why I was really trying to spend a lot of time to spread it out and all that. But this is such an amazing wig. You can literally put it on, take it out, put it on. It doesn't require a lot of work. Like I said, guys, Curls were generous enough to send me a brand new unit so that I can review and share with you guys. And if you are interested in getting this hair, very high quality and very amazing prices, please do not forget to click on the link that I've left down below, and also use my special code to get discounts. Until next time, I love you guys. Bye bye.